Today I want to share something important. A few days ago, one of my clients asked me, Shafiq, why is my cleaning business not visible on Google? My answer was very simple. Maybe your service is good, maybe your clients are happy, but if people cannot find your business online, you are losing opportunities every single day. Hello everyone, I am Shafiq. I am a local specialist. I help local business, especially commercial cleaning companies, improve their online visibility on Google using modern SEO techniques. Today, most of the cleaning business struggle because their website is too basic. Their Google business profile is inactive. Google does not clearly understand their business. And the most important part is competitors are getting online trust. Today, visibility matters more than ever because if your business is hard to find online, your competitors will keep getting the calls. That's why modern SEO is becoming part of local business. So, if you have any questions and if you are facing problems in your business, feel free to ask me today. We will discuss in a 10 or 15 minute short meeting.